Story 22. A king was subject to a terrible disease, the mention of which is not sanctioned by custom. The tribe of Unani physicians agree that this pain cannot be allayed except by means of the bile of a person endued with certain qualities. Orders having been issued to search for an individual of this kind, the son of a landholder was discovered to possess the qualities mentioned by the doctor. The king summoned the father and mother of the boy, whose consent he obtained by giving them immense wealth. The Qazi issued a judicial decree that it is permissible to shed the blood of one subject for the safety of the king, and the executioner was ready to slay the boy. He looked heavenwards and smiled. The king asked, "What occasion for laughter is there in such a position?" The youth replied, "A son looks for the affection of his father and mother to bring his case before the Qazi and to ask justice from the Padshah. In the present instance, however, the father and mother have, for the trash of this world, surrendered my blood. The Qazi has issued a decree to kill me. The Sultan thinks he will recover his health only through my destruction, and I see no other refuge besides God the Most High." And if they want his bile, really, something back here later or something like, but yeah, you don't have to have people die for that sort of thing. But a lot of people, when they, whether for cure or for ritual, have just gone too far. It's like, "Oh, I gotta get it this way, but the most dramatic way is to get it this way." It's like, yeah. To whom shall I complain against thy hand, if I am to seek justice also from thy hand? The Sultan became troubled at these words. Tears rushed to his eyes, and he said, "It is better for me to perish than to shed innocent blood." Now, if more people had that idea, virtually all the wars would just disappear and the gangs and all that other stuff. But he kissed the head and eyes of the youth who presented him with boundless wealth. The youth presented him, the youth was presented with wealth. And it is said that the king also recovered his health during that week. I also remember the distich recited by the elephant driver on the bank of the Nile. If thou knewest the state of the ant under thy foot, it is like thy own condition under the foot of an elephant.